Hi, in this video I'll walk you through the latest update to GrowthWheel Online. Login to client meetings should be quick. With the updated interactions dialog, the core required fields now appear at the top, so you can record what matters most without scrolling through fields you do not always need. To get started, open a client profile and go to Client Relations. Select Interactions and click to create a new interaction. You will see the new Streamlined top section right away. It shows only the required fields, the interaction type, title, date, and the essential meeting details. Fill those in to log the session. If you need to add more details, scroll down. All the optional sections, notes, outcomes, tools, are still there. Nothing has been removed. The layout has simply been reorganized so the essentials come first. We hope this update helps you log client meetings faster and spend more time on advising. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.